Guys, today I'm going to start a new video series on market profile. There is huge demand in the market. I don't know what exactly they are looking at it, and they're charging a huge amount for the training. So what I'm thinking is I have good knowledge on this. What I'm thinking is to share it with you guys and help you out. Uh, the people who want to learn market profile, it will be very useful them for them. So let's start. So what exactly is a market profile? So is it an indicator? Yes, it is an indicator. Is it a charting technique? Yes, it is a charting technique. What information does it provide, and how does it help the short term and intraday players? So basically, market profile gives you in what direction market is going to, and what is the price range where there is most amount of trades are done, and it gives you the details of what operator is thinking and what in which direction operator is trying to move based on the market profile terminologies or concepts. We will be able to understand how exactly the operator is thinking, and we can go in direction of them. Okay. So going onwards, what I'll do is I'll explain these market profile charts or market profile uh, uh, mm, charts, yeah. So with the candlesticks. So this is how exactly the market profile intraday chart looks like. So this is a splitted version. There are splitted and unsplitted version. So I'll explain you what exactly they are. So this is how looks a day's chart in market profile. So what exactly these A prints, B prints, and C prints? So basically, if you see the candlesticks, these prints are A prints is of 30 minutes. If you see in our candlesticks, a 30-minute candle is A print, and second next 30-minute candle is B print, and third next 30-minute candle is C print. So basically these prints are nothing but our 30 minutes candle in market in the candlesticks. Okay. So in the candlesticks, we have open, we have high, we have low, we have close in the candlestick. But here what you can see is you won't be able to know what is the close and what is the we can understand the open, but what is the close we won't be able to see, and the wicks and all we won't be able to see. So basically if you see the O. Okay, so this O indicates the opening. So basically market has opened at this particular time frame, and it moved till here upside and came back. Okay, or it moved till here in the beginning and moved upside. So we don't know what exactly the candle looks like. So basically it is nothing but it gives you what is the uh, what exactly the 30 minutes candle moved. Okay, and okay, this shows you the opening, and the hash shows you the closing or current market price. Okay, uh, let me explain you guys how what is the how it looks like in candles. Okay. Mm, okay, so this is uh, the differentiating candlesticks and market profile. Okay, so let us say this is my E print, this is my 30-minute candle. Okay, if 30-minute candle looks like this, 30 minutes TPO, we say A print is a TPO. Okay, in chart it prints like this. Hmm. If B candle looks like this in candlestick patterns, we know the opening, we know the closing, we know the high, we know the low. But here we don't know where is the opening. We can set it in the market profile for each of the prints, but these just prints be what is the price range it moved, so it just keeps on printing the whole candle. Okay, that is the difference between market profile, one of the difference. Okay, and this is your C print. All of them are 30 minutes candle in candlesticks. This is your D print, D, E, F, G, okay, H, I. Okay, so this is the same day's candle stick pattern and same day's market profile. So this is how exactly it looks like in market profile and candlestick. So you should be able to understand from this. So the each prints in the market profiles are nothing but 30-minute candlestick patterns in candles. Okay guys, so coming to the next is, okay, so what exactly, how exactly this prints. Okay, let us say in our candle, this is a candle of 100 points. Let us say this is a candle. Okay, this is a this range is of 100 points. Hmm? So basically there is a TPO size. Okay, based on the TPO size, one can tell how many prints to be printed for 100 points. Let us say if the TPO size it multiplies with a particular value 0.05. Okay, so 20 into 0.05, let us say this is 100 points candle and it is printing 10A. That means 10 into 10. That means each of these prints are of 10 points. Okay, that is the reason all these 10A prints total 100 points. So basically this this won't be same always. It depends on, this is currently 10, this could be 20, this could be 30, this could be 5. It depends on the TPO size. This TPO size option is already available in all the market profile charting techniques, maybe in the you know, NinjaTrader, yeah, Finalgo. So you will be having this TPO size option in the charting softwares, so which you will be having. So this is exactly the basically exactly the difference between this is just the basics of market profile and candlesticks. So going forward I'll be explaining how market profile, understanding market profile with the candlesticks and the strategies with the candlesticks, and how what days we can say it could end in a trend day. Okay, those things I'll going to explain just to give you an overview. Okay, these are just in the candlesticks itself. I'm saying any one of the patterns. Just give me a second, guys. There are a couple of strategies. They say this is a P shape, this is a B shape. Okay, so based on them, we can trade. Okay, so basically they say this is a P shape. Okay, and they say this is a B shape. Okay, and this is a P shape. So there are a couple of charting techniques which we will be using and utilizing. So this is a P shape, you can see this is a P shape and there is a movement in the stock. So those details and setups I'm going to explain in the future videos. Thanks guys, this the people who are ready to understand what market profile is for them. These video series I'm presenting, please do subscribe, share and comment guys. If you have any doubts, let me know, I'll make a video on this. Thanks guys, thanks again.